Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20657. It's a very nice 2009 Mitsubishi FGC25N. Same manufacturer as a Caterpillar. It's a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift equipped with the triple stage mast. Has integral side shift carriage, 42-inch pallet forks. We just recently rebuilt the Nissan K21 LP gas engine. Has automatic transmission, like new traction, cushion tires, new PM service. Has new alternator, rebuilt steer axle and bushings, new master cylinder, resealed cylinders, new hydraulic hoses, new mast mount bushings, new lights, new floor mat, new muffler, new O2 sensor, and a new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or come by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. This unit is equipped with 8,000 hours and it is awesome and ready for work.